it. We need to finish it today. You're so slow. Yeah, need to finish it today. Faster. Okay, slowly by slowly. Very good Meron na akong workers. Do it! Finish it! We need to finish it today. You're so slow. Yeah, need to finish it today. Faster! You need to finish it today. Huh? Yeah. You don't do your job very well. Faster. Done? Huh? Why are you stopping it? Oh, my workers is so slow. Why so slow? Why too slow? Huh? Faster, do it. Do it right. Very good. Very good. Do it right. Very good. Very good. Very good. Don't need to tap it. Mommy will do it. My. Go. Daddy's busy in basketball, so you're the one who will do it. Okay? Daddy's in the basketball. No one. Oh, you're done? Wow, so very good naman, my baby. Okay. Do I need to pay you?
Yes.
How much?
We money to get some ice cream and juice and
Enough to buy tapay and ice cream? That's what I'm going to pay you?
yes, two of them.
Two of them. Okay, tapay and ice cream. Okay, thank you for your service, sir. Say welcome, mommy.
Welcome, Mommy.
Okay, wait for my payment, okay?